Ronald Koeman, fuck off. Last video में देख लेना. Now what does Barcelona need? Barcelona needs a new manager. So what are the qualities that you want from your manager? What do you want from him? First thing, you want him to win. We want to win. So winning mentality is a must. Second thing, style of play. We don't need necessarily tiki-taka, but we need modern, high intensity, high press, and quick passing kind of football. So style of play, attacking and sharp. Third, personality. We lack a little bit of leadership in our dressing room. So we want our manager to have that responsibility of taking leadership. A manager needs a followership. If you cannot follow him, you will not believe in him. उसके लिए नहीं करोगे तुम. तो एक पर्सनैलिटी होनी चाहिए, एक करिश्मा होना चाहिए जिसको तुम फॉलो कर सको, जिस पर बिलीव कर सको. The third is personality.
So
Now 6 candidates हैं हमारे पास, and we will discuss these candidates in terms of these qualities.
the first candidate जो है हमारे पास वो है आंद्रेया पिर्लो. So let's start with him. कोपा इटालिया भले ही वन किया था, but सीरिया ए लूज कर गए after 8 consecutive wins for Juve. So if we go with the winning mentality, तो not very good. The second point is the style of play. Juve was very lethargic, slow, intensity पे नहीं खेल रहे थे. कोई भी high intensity वाली टीम उनको beat करके जा रही थी. तो style of play not very much suited, which we need currently. The third is personality. As a player, he is a great personality, admired by everyone. He'll have the respect in the dressing room, but I'm not sure as a manager because his earlier career was not very much. But the main point which is working in his favor is he is admired by Laporta and probably number one in contention.
Next we have Albert Capellas. Barcelona Academy का manager है ये, ठीक है. First of all, he has only been assistant manager in his career. He has had no managerial job whatsoever at the highest level. For Borussia Dortmund or for Denmark, वो assistant manager था. So winning mentality, we are not so sure about. Second is style of play. Yes, he has been educated in the Johan Cruyff style of total football. So maybe the style of play will suit us. That is a positive factor. Third, personality. He's a very laid back, easy, calm sort of a guy. Not someone who has high charisma, high animation, high, with a lot of enthusiasm. So he's another Kike Setien in disguise, mostly. So we don't need that kind of energy. So not a good fit overall.
Correct, not a good fit. The third in contention is Roberto Martinez. And again, बात करें हम विनिंग मेंटालिटी की तो सिर्फ 5 ही मैच हारा है बेल्जियम से आउट ऑफ 64. गुड रिकॉर्ड, बट अगेन कुछ विन नहीं किया है, तो नॉट कैन नॉट से अराउंड विनिंग मेंटालिटी. स्टाइल अच्छी है, पोजीशन बेस्ड अटैकिंग स्टाइल. He would have done very much good with the side of Belgium that he has, but he hasn't done that much. The third point is the personality. He has the presence in the field, but sometimes वो presence positively affect नहीं करती है, या कितनी ज़्यादा presence होगी, that cannot be shown.
Yeah, if you don't have a winning presence, that the presence does not count. And another thing is he is another Ronald Koeman in disguise, because both managers का profile बहुत same है. Everton से sack हुए दोनों ने national teams manage करी और दोनों won fuck all, कुछ नहीं जीता दोनों. So another Ronald Koeman in disguise, not a good fit. The next one we have, this is a very good interesting pick for Barcelona. Marcelo Gallardo, River Plate का manager है. रिवर प्लेट के लिए 2 बार कोपा लिबर्टाडोरेस जीत चुका है, which is the Champions League of South American football. So yes, winning mentality is there, solid. स्टाइल ऑफ प्ले की बात करें तो वेरी डायनामिक, पोजीशन बेस्ड, हाई इंटेंसिटी फुटबॉल खेलता है, विड्थ यूज करता है अच्छे से. फॉर्मेशंस इसकी बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होती है, प्लेयर्स इंटरचेंज देयर रोल्स ऑल द टाइम. सो वेरी मॉडर्न, वेरी इनोवेटिव इन हिज वेज. विल सूट द बार्सा style of play. Third one is that he has a very animated and charismatic personality. He's always animated on the touchline. हमेशा वो motivate करता रहता है, enthusiasm generate करता है, which is very important for the manager. So he fits all the 3 criterias. But he has conceded 0.9 goals per match. So defensive record थोड़ा सा weak है. And Barca को अभी जो सबसे पहली जरूरत है वो है कि defensive solidarity. So any new manager which comes to the job needs to find that balance between defense and attack to make a strong Champions League competitive kind of team. So maybe not the perfect answer.
And the next one which every Barca fan wants is Xavi. जो भी हमारे तीनों पॉइंट है परफेक्टली सूट करता है. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज विनिंग मेंटालिटी. ऐसी कोई ट्रॉफी नहीं है फुटबॉल में जो जावी ने ना जीती हो. इन हिज मैनेजरियल career he has won the QSL last season without losing a game, and you have to see the point. 77 गोल स्कोर किए उनकी टीम ने, इनविंसिबल थे पूरे सीजन में. 3.5 goals per match, that is some big thing. So first point clearly sorted out. Second, if you see Al-Sadd, they play how we wanted Barca to play. High intensity, quick passing, transitions quick hai, built from the back. Players know their roles. They know where the position should be. So everything is sorted out. The
Slick,
third and the
very
third
slick
and
in their
very
movement.
slick, very slick. The third and most important thing is the personality. I think it's loved by Barcelona. फैन से बहुत अच्छा कनेक्ट है, टीम से बहुत अच्छा कनेक्ट होगा, कई सारे प्लेयर्स के साथ खेला हुआ है तो ड्रेसिंग रूम में बहुत अच्छा होगा. He'll bring back that culture of Barcelona क्योंकि born, brought up and made at Barcelona है.
Yeah.
तो Xavi is perfectly fit. जो हमने 3 पॉइंट्स रेज किए हैं, बट जो एक पॉइंट इसके थोड़े फेवर में नहीं जाता है वो ये है कि लापोर्टा इज सेइंग कि ला लीगा का एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, बट नेसेसरी नहीं, क्योंकि हमने जो 5 पीछे के 4 मैनेजर डिस्कस किए उनके पास भी कोई ला लीगा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. तो ओनली वे दिस इज ट्राइंग टू बी प्रॉब्लमैटिक बिकॉज वो थोड़ा आउट जावी सपोर्टर था विक्टर फोंटे का, जो काइंड ऑफ प्रेसिडेंशियल राइवल था, बट ही स्टेप्स डाउन. जैसे लपोर्टा आया तो ही स्टॉप्ड हिज कैंपेन और तो पीछे हट गया जावी. बट ओवरऑल ही इज द परफेक्ट चॉइस फॉर मी.
Yes. Last but not the least, Eric Ten Hag, the most underrated manager in the world. This guy has won 2 Eredivisie titles already in 2018-19 and 2021. 2019 के आयक्स याद कर लो, 18-19 वाली जो चैंपियंस लीग पे यूवेंटस को और रियल मैड्रिड को धोके आई. They were shell shocked. Juventus and Madrid didn't know what hit them when Ajax played against them. And that's the kind of football which is very attack minded, very high in transition, very slick, very fast. That's the kind of football that we want. So style of play perfectly suit करती है हमें, ठीक है. And he is a manager who is great with a youth team. Ajax की टीम 2018-19 के हमने देखा कितने यंग प्लेयर्स उसने वर्ल्ड को ऑलरेडी एक टीम से दिए. फ्रैंकी डियोंग, De Ligt, CH, Donny van de Beek, David Neres. और उन प्लेयर्स के जाने के बाद भी within 2 years he has built another very good team. Watch Ajax this season. You will not be disappointed. So very good fit, overall fit for the Barcelona job. And for me, in my personal opinion, he's the number 1 candidate.
Okay, great. I think for Pratik it's Eric, for me it's Xavi, and for everyone. But again guys, what do you think? जो हमने 3 मेन पॉइंट डिस्कस किए, क्या वो 3 मेन पॉइंट है बार्सिलोना मैनेजर के लिए? what do you think, what do you points do you look for your Barcelona manager, या मैनेजर में क्या क्या पॉइंट्स होना चाहिए? What do you think is your pick for these among these top 6 managers? Do share with us in the comments, and we'll be
Don't
back
forget
again
to
with,
like, subscribe and comment.
that's right.